I just killed my friend and I think, yeah, he's got anti-knockback. Yeah, you run. Ouch. Get away, noob. Yo, Toaster. Ah. Fight me. Oh, running with a bow. Anti-knockback. I think his friend Tiny Toe is Hackins too. Come here. Tiny Tot. Anti-knockback. 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 It'd be funny if he drowned. Who's hitting me? Anti-knockback. Dang, is everyone hacking? No, he's not anti-knockback. Just got slammed around by that guy. Tiny Tot. Yeah.